Good morning, it's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. This isn't going to be a long video. I think the last video that I made for SPX is that I thought I was going to a 540 SPX. Let me check where we are. SPX is at 535. Yeah. I'd say definitely. Next level is gonna be 537-ish for SPX. But yeah, I'm definitely thinking 540, 550 SPX for the SPY. I'd say next level is gonna be 550-ish. So yeah, I'm definitely looking for the next. Because this is gonna break, right? We're on the top of the channel. You're pretty heavy pushing on the upside, right? It looks like you already retested, right? See? Pushed up, came down, retested, and this is basically just a straight move up to, what is it called? To 540, 550? This is going to be 550. Your next level is going to be 550. So I am looking for the next level on the SPY to be 550. So you can come up here, test up here, move a little bit, but ultimately I think we're going to end up at 550. I don't know, maybe in the next 2 weeks or so. How does it usually take to go through the full chat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I'd say 2 weeks. I'd say I wouldn't be surprised if we're up here at 551 in the next 2 weeks, honestly. So yeah, I'm not gonna make this a really long video because I honestly, don't think that, we're gonna reject here. You can definitely come down a little bit, but I think for the most part, since you already broke to the upside, retested, I can definitely just see the push to 550. And like I said, 540 on SPX is probably gonna hit sometime today, which was my first target anyway. So that's probably gonna be accurate. And from here on the SPY itself, right? Because SPX is the futures index, right? And SPY is like the actual stock, whatever, or the ETF. But yeah, as of right now, I am looking for 550. If you reject hard here, like on the daily, right? If you have a daily candle close like all the way down here, right? Then I can definitely see us come down a little bit to like 518, right? 518, 519, whatever. But I think ultimately we're going up to 550. That's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.